Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Today, I'm going to be doing an updated college dorm room tour. I posted a dorm room tour around 5 months ago. It was literally one of my first videos that I ever filmed for this channel. Since that video was posted, I've made a few changes to kind of make my room more productive, more aesthetically pleasing, and overall just a lot more functional for me. So with all of that being said, let's get into the tour. So to get into my room, you have to swipe using your card. So then as soon as you step foot into my room, you can see that there are my shoes. That is where I charge my camera. I do have a thermostat, and that's where I put my keys. And then trash can, recycling bin, pretty simple. So then coming up here, you have my mirror. Then this is my closet. And then the closet's actually a pretty good size. You can see I have a vacuum, and then I keep most of my hanging stuff on command hooks. It just makes a lot more space in areas where there wouldn't typically be space. So I have all my clothes, have whatever goes in there. It's kind of just like a catch-all type thing. Same with up here, it's all random. As you can see, I have extra body wash, cologne, like first aid kit, and then I also have granola bars and paper towels. So everything's up there. There's limited space, so I just gotta put everything wherever there's space. Clothes, dressers, set of drawers that I bought. Definitely recommend doing that. I'll make a video on that stuff. And then turning around, this door here is actually my bathroom. I do share a bathroom with one other person. As you can tell, I have a single, which means that I have my own room. Obviously, I don't share a room with anyone else. If you're going into college, I highly suggest getting a single. It's been great having my own space, and to be honest, I just don't like sharing things with a roommate. I don't like sharing spaces with people. I don't like sleeping in the same room with a roommate, especially if we're not friends or if we don't get along, which kind of was my case last year, but this year I have a good roommate, so no complaints here. So going into my bathroom, it's pretty basic, but I mean, like, it could be a lot worse. So that's where I put my towel. My roommate puts his towel. Sink. A nice little shelf where we put all of our stuff. Shower. That's pretty much it. Nothing too crazy. So stepping foot into my room, first thing you see on your right is my mini fridge, my microwave, and then my Keurig. I kind of stacked them all on top. It was very space saving, very space efficient. My mini fridge, I don't really have anything in there, just coffee creamer and almond milk. Freezer, nothing. Microwave, yeah. And then I have lots of bananas, which I need to eat. They're already almost overripe. And then here, this is just where I keep my stuff for coffee. So as you can see, I have K-Cups. And behind that, I have some bowls, which I use for cereal and stuff. This is my Keurig, and this is my mug. I kind of wanted everything to be stainless steel looking to all match, because I hate when things don't match and I'm very OCD about that. But kind of going above is a poster that I got from Society 6. Here is a little neon sign that I got from TJ Maxx. I think it's dead. The batteries ran out in like a week because I put it on every night because it looked so cool. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah. All right, this is what it looks like. Oh, it already faded. It's dying. Okay, we'll turn that off. So then here, this is a little roller cart that I got from Target, and on it you can see that it is completely stocked full of completely different things. Oatmeal, travel mug, Brita filter, trail mix, cups, extra mugs, some more oatmeal, another travel mug, a cup, chips, popcorn, and all that good stuff. And then here is my reusable bags, reusable containers, all that good stuff that I steal from home every time that I go home. And one day I'll bring those back. Not today. Here, this is where I hang up my gym bag. This has my shoes and my inhaler, whatever goes in a gym bag. So, my bed, the place where I get beautiful, beautiful sleep. This is a throw blanket that I got from Urban Outfitters. My comforter and my whole sheets and all that shebang is from Target. As you can see, I have lights, Target, tapestry, Amazon. The little wall decals are also from Amazon. If you are someone who is not in college, every college bed is a twin XL, which basically means it is a twin size bed, but it is stretched a little bit longer because college students aren't little kids. So we need beds that... I don't like what I'm saying there. It's just a bigger bed. I'm not gonna, okay. Continuing on. I'm not someone who sleeps with a lot of pillows. I only sleep with one and I just throw those off. But under my bed, laundry hamper, I should probably do my laundry. And then those are just all of my jackets and stuff because I don't really have space in my closet to hang them up. So I just fold them, put them under my bed. This fuzzy rug that I am currently standing on is from Target. Of course, a majority of things in my room are from Target because great deals for great things, right? I don't know their motto. So of course these lights I don't usually have on during the day. I'm just doing it for the video to show you guys my lights. And they kind of go all the way throughout my room and they end there because I ran out of command hooks to continue them throughout my room. As you can see, I had to tie them in an ugly knot because there's certain regulations, certain fire hazards that I have to comply with for my dorm building and I can't connect them. I had to tie them. That's what we're living with, not trying to get in trouble. Going on this side of my bed, as you can see, I have a bed mounted shelf. It's great, also from Target. And it like clamps onto my bed. So this is where I keep the remote for my TV, my phone, my eye mask because I sleep with it on because I don't like seeing sunlight. Here is my school backpack, my camera bag, and then my desk. So, this is a desk first. Yes, I have 2 AirPods. I just got the new ones. I'm giving these to my sister. If you want to see the review and unboxing of these AirPods 2, I'll put that link in the description or something. Or just subscribe to my channel and watch. Anyways, this is another little neon sign from Target. It's very weak. You can only see it at night, really. It doesn't really do any justice in the day. Fake plants here and here. Again, Target, fake plants, great steal. Again, with me being OCD, they all had to be black because that would annoy me. Going to the main part of my desk, this is where I put my computer, my water bottle, my printer that I don't use. If you watched, oh my gosh, this video is going to be full of shameless promos for my other videos. Anyways, this is my printer, which I said don't buy a printer for college. It is in my video where I talk about the dumbest things that I have purchased in college. So as you can see, my desk has 3 drawers and then a little pull-out shelf. So in this first drawer, kind of, again, is a catch-all. I have my external hard drives, my melatonin, gum, literally anything and everything that can fit in here is in here. Second drawer is my notebooks, my textbooks. And then last drawer again is kind of a catch-all. I have lint rollers, all cleaning stuff, Ziploc bags. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Some medicine, all that good stuff. And then this drawer I don't really want to open. It's basically just paper and junk. And that's just where I hid all of the mess for this video so you didn't see it. So we're just gonna let that be. Here, these are pictures. And if you watch my original video, they used to be up this entire wall, but I took them down because I rearranged my room. A little ottoman here. It has storage. This is where I keep some extra stuff. I don't know how to describe that. It was like this when I moved in. The little Ethernet ports and stuff, I didn't do that, so let's hope I don't get fined for that once I move out. Anyways, going over here. So this is the area that was changed. Before I moved my desk in front of my window, my desk was right here. If you have watched any of my older videos, you'd remember that my backdrop would be facing this way and my backdrop would be my tapestry. This way, I have much better lighting for my videos. And I feel like this just makes my room a little bit bigger. So this TV used to be in that corner, but I moved it to this corner, and that is where this chair used to be. This chair used to be there, that used to be there, that used to be there, that used to be there. Oh gosh, I basically moved everything but my bed, and that's kind of all of the changes that I made. But this is my TV. It is a Roku TV. Again, if you are in college and you have your own room or you have a roommate, definitely buy a TV. This is a 43-inch TV, smart TV, got it at Costco. Great. To be honest, I don't use it that much because I am usually, I don't have an excuse. I just don't use a lot. Going to my drawers in my dresser. These are my socks, my t-shirts, my undershirts, and my pajamas. Here I have some shorts and sweatpants. As you can see, this drawer is not very full because they're all dirty. And then down here, I just have some extra blankets and I guess a pair of headphones. I honestly don't know. So yes, that was my room. As you can see, I made a few changes, but overall, I really love this room. I really love having a single room. And I did spend a lot of money decorating this room, but I bought a lot of things, and they're all relatively cheap. Like this tapestry was like 20 bucks, and look how big it is. It takes up the whole wall. Tapestries on Urban Outfitters are like 100 bucks. So don't waste your money on all of that expensive stuff, because just don't. Learn from others' mistakes. I didn't make that mistake. I was thrifty and smart in my okay. Let's just end this video now. Let me close out this video. Okay, hold on. So guys, that was what my room looked like during the day, and now I will insert some night shots. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, I did change a few things in my room. If you watched my last video on my dorm room tour, then you will see that the layout was different. I changed it now. I like it so much better. To be honest, I don't really do any work at this desk. It's more of just a filming station. I have really tried in the past few weeks to stop doing work in my room, stop doing homework, all that stuff, stop doing things that stress me out, because I want this space to be a total relaxation space. College is extremely stressful. My life in college is extremely hectic, and I don't want all of that stressful energy in my room. I want to be comfortable in my room. I want to have beautiful sleep in my room. I've heard this, multiple people say this, I've read this multiple places, but like, don't do work in your room because that stressful energy, like, look how close I am to my bed. My brain will associate my room with stress and homework and work and editing and filming and reading and studying and a lot of stressful things, and I just don't want that. So to kind of better myself and better my sleeping and relaxation, I will study in the library, I'll study in a study room, I'll go anywhere to study and do work but my room. I mean, sometimes I'll occasionally do certain things if it's not very heavy, if it's not a very heavy workload, if it's just a little thing. But most of the time I will not do my work in here. And I recommend that if you're in college anyways, go out to do work, because I catch myself sometimes staying in my room for so long and not leaving because I'd be doing so much work. Just go outside, walk somewhere. I found so many good study spots on campus that I never even knew before, and I never would have known if I didn't venture out of my room. So that's my whole spiel on that. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my college dorm room tour. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I'm really close to 200 subscribers, so that would mean a lot to me. Anyways, if there's any other college related videos you guys would like to see, please comment that down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Ooh. Peekaboo. Ew. Okay, bye.